इसमें कोई we are live.
Hi, good evening, everybody on Facebook, all the attendees. My name is Lokesh Nathani from TEDx Charangi, Kolkata. I am the licensee, curator, and host of TEDx Charangi. I'm very, very happy and excited to be here today for a simple reason that today I'm joined by my team members, my colleagues who have helped all of us put the event together since the time we got our license. So before I hand over to them and we get into a conversation with these three lovely people here, let me also share with you that TEDx team comprises of few more people who are not here because probably we'll have them next time. So we also have in the team Rachna Mimani, who is a coach. We also have in team Naresh Sekhani, who is businessman running his own aluminium business. We have Pradyum Mimani, who is a life planner. We also have Karan Shah, who is the brain behind all our designs that you see. He runs a digital company called 8FX, and we also have Sagar Amlani, who runs, who's basically working at a very senior level in a corporate, and also is a LinkedIn champion. So let me introduce the three team members who have joined me live today. So I have Shashi Jain. She is an image consultant and soft skill trainer and based out of Calcutta. Welcome, Shashi, to FB Live. We have Subhash Saraf, who is also from Calcutta. Subhash is a general manager at Anmol Stainless Private Limited, and he's doing this to basically his way of giving it back to the society through TEDx platform. And we also have Shabana Khatun from Kolkata. She's a director with India Angel Fund, investor, and a life planner at Tata AIA. So welcome, Shabana. So welcome all three of you. It's just a coincidence that all three of you initial starts with S. And also, I just want to share with all of you that we did not do any color coordination today, and I'm so surprised.
You are on mute.
Yeah, that basically, this color coordination of red, without even discussing about the color scheme of the day, we all in red, I guess we all think alike, and that's something very, very heartening. So moving on, so let me first quickly share with you about TEDx Charangi a bit before I invite three wonderful people for the conversation. So TEDx Charangi, Kolkata got their license. We got our license in last year, 2019. And since then, we have not looked back. We had an amazing event last year on November 17th, which was our first event and which had 11 amazing speakers and 100 amazing attendees. And the feedback that we got from speakers and attendees encouraged us, and we realized, wow, we had a great start and we need to build on this. And when we were just planning to launch a much bigger version, we all were hit by the same thing, what we call it COVID-19. Fortunately, we are not hit physically by it, but yes, in terms of the work and everything, it has been hit. So we decided that we are not going to stop our journey. We are not going to stop taking ideas to various people, and we are going to go virtual this year. So we are going to make your weekends meaningful starting from 5th of September with some amazing stories. And I'm going to share with you the kind of speakers, the kind of stories that we're going to have at TEDx Charangi September 2020 this year. And we'll talk about it more as we move on. So let me get these three wonderful people dive in. And before that, there's a question from one of our very dear friends, and I can say, at least definitely for myself, and I'm sure most of us are coach and mentor in some form or the other. Rahul Narvekar, he is asking why everybody is wearing red. That's because Rahul, we just love red, and TEDx, red is a very important part in the word. If you look at the logo of TEDx, so that's the reason why we all are wearing red. And great to have you here, Rahul. It's very encouraging and motivating to see you here. So starting with Shashi, tell me, why did you join TEDx Charangi? I mean, what made you join TEDx Charangi as a team member and not just being an attendee?
So hi Lokesh and a very good evening to everyone.
Shashi, we can't hear you again.
But it is on. Can others hear me?
Yes.
Probably again some challenge on my. I've been facing some. Can everybody else hear her?
Hello. Am I audible?
Just
Am I
a
visible?
second, guys. I'm so sorry. There's some technical error at my end. So please bear with us.
बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है.
Yeah, Shashi, go ahead. Let's see. If I can't hear you, but if everybody else can hear you, then I think it's fine. I mean,
So I feel
let me ask the attendees who are already there. Can you all hear Shashi? I think there's some technical hitch that is happening at my end.
So can you all hear me? Rahul, can you hear me?
This is going to be a very weird conversation where the guy is asking questions, he's not being able to hear and everybody else could hear. But never mind, I will read her lips and I will know what she's answering and probably will try and make a conversation out of it. So great, Shashi, please go ahead. And once you finish, you can just give a thumbs up. Yes, they all can hear you, Shashi. Please go ahead.
Okay, so I feel TED is a
Yes,
global
Shashi, I can hear you.
Okay, thanks, Subhash. So answering your question, Lokesh, I feel TED is a global platform to add value to the humanity and spread ideas, thoughts, virtues, and values which motivate people and help them to handle their challenges, make them better human beings, and definitely grow in life. So I, being a trainer and coach, also strongly believe in these values and thought that TED is one such platform where I can also work on this purpose of mine because it is in sync with TED. And TEDx Chorangi, being the TEDx event in my own city, Kolkata, which I'm very passionate about. I wanted to be part of this movement of making this world a better place through this amazing platform.
I think now I'm better. Yeah,
can you hear
great.
Now?
Yeah, I can hear you. I guess probably the technology is not being able to take so much of red and so much of brightness and so much of energy. So they're just putting me off. Yeah, I can hear you all. Yeah, great, Shashi. Thanks so much, and we'll come back to you. Subhash, you've been happily working for a steel firm as general manager. I mean, what prompted you to jump in and join TEDx Chorangi? I mean, don't give me the reason that, because Lokesh is there, but besides me, what else?
So hi everyone. Hi Lokesh. Good evening, Facebook. Good evening, Kolkata. Hope everyone can hear me. Am
Yes.
I audible?
Yes. Loud and clear.
So basically, the relation between Lokesh and me is more than 6-7 years. And when I came to know that Lokesh is becoming a part of TEDx, so I was not very much aware about what all TEDx. I have heard the name, and when in Star Plus it used to come, when Shahrukh Khan used to host, I used to see some episodes. So when Lokesh briefed me that what all TEDx Chorangi does, TED and TEDx does, so it was just an unconditional love towards TED, and let's do it and whatever possible, give back to the society in terms of whatever I have experienced in last 2 decades. I am working for myself. I never ever thought of thinking about others and giving back. So, and I am very happy that I am a part of TED and I am a part of TEDx Chorangi, and Calcutta is blessed by TEDx.
Hello, great. Thanks, Subhash. I told you earlier itself that you're going to speak about your reason other than Lokesh because I want people to know what is the reason beyond Lokesh. Of course, we all are we all have known each other for last so many years, and there's a very special relationship we all share. Yeah, Shabana, what's your take? I mean, what made you join TEDx Sarangi besides Lokesh?
Hi. So my reason is different than Lokesh. It's not you. So to TEDx has been TED Talks has been inspiring me a lot through my time of dark or low, I can say. So whenever I am not feeling very up to the mark, or I'm feeling low, and also I'll find some topic on TED Talk which will help me to move on. So when I know that Calcutta is having the city level TEDx. So I was like, I'll be very proud to be a part of it, and I'll be very happy to help in any ways I can help to run the event, so that others like me, others people also can benefited from this. That is a
So great. Thanks so much.
So,
So,
Lokesh, should I repeat my answer so that you understand my mindset, or is it
sure.
okay?
No, it's okay. Fine. I know your mindset. I heard through your lips, so not to worry. So, all of us agree that, TED is such a great platform which brings so much of stories, ideas, innovation, people from all across the globe. And it gives us an access to, everything that we want to know about life lessons. And clearly, all of us go through various phases in life. And I keep saying this, TED has so much of treasure of life lessons from various people around the world that one life is not enough to really get everything out of TED. So I'm sure each one of you have your favorite talks that really kind of, there are so many favorite talks, but there is something that was like really wow, that stands out. Whenever I want to get charged up or I want to get some ideas, I watch that talk. So, Sashi, what would be your that talk which kind of, the talk which is with you always?
Okay, so TED is a lovely platform, and there's so many TED talks that I love. But just to answer your question, I think when a person resonates with some idea or thought, then that becomes his or her, the motivational or the TED talk. So for me, the power of vulnerability by Bren Brown is my favorite talk because I'm a very emotional and vulnerable kind of person by nature, because of which, many a times I've not been respected enough. Sometimes I've been ill-treated and have been taken for granted many a times. So I always thought that it is my weakness, and I used to feel bad about it. But after listening to this talk, I felt so positive about my vulnerability. I realized that at least I have the guts to express myself. I can love others, though I know maybe I'll not get anything in return. And I'm emotional about people, and I have the courage to admit it to and ask for help when I am not okay. So, this talk drove me to the realization that my vulnerability is my strength. Yeah.
Sure, great. That's very nicely put, and I'm also going to go and watch this talk soon, because some point of time we all are, we all have our moments when we are vulnerable, and you're right. It seems like a weakness, but it can be strength. Something really I would like to see that talk soon, and get myself motivated. So, Shabana, what has been your wow talk? You have been watching and getting inspired from TED Talks for quite a while, and you said it helps you in your high, low, up, all kind of situations. So, what is that one talk which really kind of stands out for you?
there are many actually, but there is one by David Jonas. It calls "Celebrate What's Right with the World." So generally, we see so much negativity around us that we forget that there are so much more, so much than we can think. There's so much right, good in the world. So this person, the way he explains everything, and the way he explains that. There are more than one right answers, so we don't have to dig into one thing and then feel miserable about it. We can explore so much, and then there is only one if you change your lenses, the picture will be entirely different. So that the way he explains this, I really love that talk, and it really helped me as a person.
Chalo, great. So one more talk I have added. So as a person, I always believe that we always should look at the brighter side of life because there's enough negativity, and we have few people are watching us live, including Rahul. I remember first time when I met Rahul, and I said, "How do you stay so positive?" He said, "Very simple. I stay away from negative, so I am positive." And I think that's a brilliant input that I got from him when I met him in Feb 2017. Moving on, Subhash, uh, what has been, I mean, you entered TED little lately, probably after we started talking about TEDx Charangi, but what has been did you find for yourself any such TED talk जो आपको लगा कि यार ये ना बड़ा मजा आ गया, मतलब it really मुझे बहुत सारे आंसर्स मिल जाते लाइफ के.
Yes, there was a talk in our only event on 17th November 2019. The talk was of Natasha A.R. Kumar. So basically, when I heard her, so from the age of 11, she had a dream of becoming an entrepreneur. So spark, the spark was there in her eyes, and the fire was there in her belly to achieve whatever she wanted to. And in a very short span of time, she reached to nowhere to somewhere. Irrespective of lot of challenges, irrespective of she met a major accident and some death in his family and all, still she managed because her intentions were very strong. Rather than expecting something from the life, she believed in doing karma and intentions. So that basically inspired me, and I from that is why one of my best talk, which I regularly watch.
So that's really nice.
That's my.
So nice to hear that. So so each of these talks, हर एक जो हम TED talk देखते हैं या TED event attend करते हैं, कहीं ना कहीं हमको इंस्पायर करता है, हमारे it gives lot of answers to our questions. क्योंकि बहुत बार हमको जो जवाब हमारे आसपास वाले लोगों से मिलते हैं वो हमको समझ में आते हैं, लेकिन वी टेंड टू इग्नोर इट. बट जैसे एक थर्ड पार्टी कोई अगर एक आदमी एक टेड प्लेटफॉर्म पे बोलता तो सडनली वी फील अरे वाओ यार, आई थिंक ही इज राइट और शी इज राइट, आई नीड टू रियली प्रैक्टिस दिस. सो डेफिनेटली इट हेल्प. सो ऑब्वियसली आप सबको किसी ने किसी टॉक ने हेल्प किया है, बहुत सारे टॉक्स हैं. सो as a person, from the time you came on board and being part of TEDx Charangi team, how has TEDx Charangi platform has helped you as a person? So let me start in the reverse order now. सुभाष आपसे शुरू करते हैं हम. तो कैसे आपको मतलब how have you developed yourself as a person? Have you seen any change in yourself or ठीक है one more platform big deal types?
No, there is a change. I have find a new way of living because एक वो आ गया ना कि let's help people और सर्विंग का एक वो जज्बा आ गया. एंड as a person I was not so good, but I am trying to change by listening people's their stories. They are all inspiration, all real stories. It's not because TED पे जो बोलते हैं that those are all real stories. It's not that कि कोई पैसा दे के बोला है. And after listening to so many people, so many stories, so if I can be, and I have also dreamed that once upon a time, मतलब कभी if I get a chance to speak on TED platform, so for that I have to change. And the belief on karma, this is the biggest change in came to, because कर्म करो, मतलब बोलते हैं ना संस्कृत में कर्मो परम धर्म. The biggest thing is in life is the karam. So expectations, every time the expectations get fails. If your intentions are clear, and the intention will lead to the success.
That's great.
This is my major takeaway.
Chalo, very nice. So that's the change you see in yourself as a person. Shabana, how about you? How TEDx Charangi platform has changed you for better as a person?
So it helped me a lot as a person, firstly, because meeting so many people and getting to know their stories, wonderful stories, बहुत it inspires and as a person you always need some inspiration somewhere, so that आपको ये एहसास हो that how blessed you are, how blessed I am, the people have been going through so much, and but how blessed I have been, and how much I can contribute to the society, or how much I can do better. So as a person, बहुत ज़्यादा I have grown after getting into TED Sarangi, and plus professionally also it is helping me a lot, because I'm more calmer and very satisfied kind of a person. So obviously that confidence shows in my professional life also. So yeah, it is helping me personally and professionally. Thank you.
सो एक TEDx, शबाना, जस्ट कंटिन्यूइंग विद दिस, एक TEDx इवेंट लाइव अटेंड करके कुछ ज्यादा फर्क लगता है, या फिर मतलब बाद में कभी भी फुर्सत से YouTube पे देख ले एक टॉक? इज देयर अ डिफरेंस?
Definitely live is better, best, because when you are listening to the speakers live, वो एक goosebumps आता है, and you never know कि किसका किस बात से which story or which word will affect you, or will touch you, so that there कि ये limitation से भी आगे जा सकते हैं, वो feeling एक आता है. So live
Right.
is always better, best.
Great. So moving on, Shashi, what's your take? I mean, how you think TEDx Charangi has developed you as a person? Any contributions just by being part of the team and the whole concept called TEDx Charangi?
So apart from what Subhash and Shabana have said, it has definitely added values. But I will talk about my own personal growth, I think. So I think I developed a lot of patience and learned just to focus on myself and my work. So I learned how to work in a team. Since 2006, I've been looking after my dad's business. So I was handling a team, but it was more like a boss. Okay, but here there were team members from different demography, different mindset and ideas. So I learned to work with them, agree to disagree at times. We had arguments, and yet work for that one common goal or objective, keeping everything else at bay, all personal prejudices, everything else at bay. So I have learned a lot. And apart from that, I've learned about TEDx, how the event flows, the rules and regulations. So I aspire to be a TEDx speaker in future. So this is like building a base for myself, and I'm just proud to be part of this great movement of exchanging inspiring stories and innovative ideas and changing lives for better, which is in sync with my purpose as a trainer and coach. So I think it has helped me tremendously personally and professionally. It gives me a lot of
Great.
confidence and pride. Yeah.
So nice to hear such amazing stuff. So, I can chat with three of you the entire evening. Believe me, but obviously time is short, and before our people who have joined us live, we almost have about 15 people before they run away. I think we need to kind of reach towards winding up also. So let me ask you, what has been your one single wow moment, Shabana?
My
At
wow
TEDx
moment at TEDx Charangi. Last year when we had this our event, so obviously before the event we were so tense. ये वो मतलब कैसे everything will be in one sync and it will. But at the end of the event, the way it went so smoothly, nice, and end में जब everybody gave us a standing ovation and clapped and everything. So that was like wow, we did something. I did something. That feeling. There are so many other, but this is something which I definitely wanted to share.
Okay. How about you, Shashi? आपका wow moment at TEDx Charangi?
So there are many wow moments, but I'll quickly, share. I think three, just give me that permission because it's very difficult for me. So first would be, of course, seeing the big smile on the faces of attendees when the event just concluded, and many of my friends literally thanked me that I connected them to TEDx Charangi, and it was so insightful and helpful. Second would be, I was assigned the responsibility of coordinating with the speakers. So, I had to take care of anything and everything that they needed from the moment they stepped, into the city till the moment they boarded the aircraft. So when they left with, messages of gratitude and appreciation, that they were taken, they were taken care of very well. I felt proud as Team TEDx Charangi. And last but not the least, in the success party post the event, when I was recognized by you, the licensee of TEDx Charangi, and I'll quote it in Hindi कि जब गल्ला खाली होता है और काउंटर मूव नहीं करता है और registrations चाहिए तो एक ही नाम याद आता है, शशि. That's
Yeah,
my
but
wow.
you have to make 500 registrations this year for 2020.
I knew this was coming.
In front of recorded line Facebook Live.
I
Subhash,
knew
what
this
has been your moment?
अपने
Yeah.
पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारना.
Yeah, this is called अपने पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी. Subhash, what's your that wow moment quickly?
So the biggest wow moment for the event was to have the event done in Calcutta, and basically the wow moment was the end of the event at the Kolkata Creativity Center. मतलब जब 11 स्पीकर बोल दिए, जब कुछ नहीं है हम लोग के पास बोलने के लिए, when we hugged each other, I'm getting goosebumps right now also.
I'm feeling it.
So मतलब I can't stop. Literally I was crying. मतलब nobody may be not seeing that I am crying, but inside वो बोलते हैं ना खुशी के आंसू. So that was the biggest, right. And that was only due to the success. For the attendees, so I'm getting very high goosebumps right now. I'm just remembering that moment.
Right.
We all team members were hugging each other, and everybody was crying. Naresh was like, मतलब वो तो रो देगा पूरा स्टेज पे ही वहीं पे. So that was the biggest, and 100 was the number. We achieved it, and people were coming and greeting, and the last was the TED के साथ में जो the group picture. So वो रोते रोते ही पिक्चर आया है. So that was the biggest wow moment. मिल जाता है, that is the biggest.
तो रोते रोते आते हैं वो हंसते हंसते जाते हैं. So not to worry about it. So no, absolutely very true. So before we kind of wind up, I just want to share with you, share with all the people who are watching us live, that this year again, TED is all about हम पूरी साल, the entire year we work very hard to try and find some motivating stories. This year at TEDx Charangi 2020, our theme is possibility to reality. हम सब के पास, we all have a lot of possibility, but very few actually convert that into reality to the level or the extent that we want to achieve it. पर कुछ ऐसे होते हैं जो like they do not give up till they really achieve or till they make it a reality. So I just want to share with you 3-4 names that are coming to TEDx Charangi this year, and listening to them live, believe me, is going to be absolutely an amazing experience. So we have our very own Dr. Fuad Halim, who is going to be speaking. He's from Calcutta, doctor by profession. His mantra, he decided to cut hospitality from hospital. And that is how he brought down the cost so that the poor people can afford dialysis. I mean, I cannot imagine dialysis being done for 50 rupees even in pandemic times. So his mantra was, how as a doctor, I cut hospitality from hospital. And I'm sure we agree that these days hospitals are no less than a 5-star hotel, and it's out of reach of common man or poor people. So it'll be great to hear what inspired him and how he cut down that hospitality word from hospital. The second we have, imagine, you have somebody who at the age of 2 was brought to his paternal aunt's house along with his 3-day-old sister, Bhagwani Malik. And that person, Mr. Devendra Kumar Gupta from Delhi, he did not give up. He was beaten by the drug peddlers and everything else happened. But he decided, जो मेरे साथ हुआ है, वो किसी और के साथ ना हो. And he's been acknowledged and applauded by right from President of India to Mr. Bachchan, the senior Bachchan, I'm talking Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, to everybody, So he's doing some amazing work and has made a difference in lives of millions of underprivileged children. We also have an engineer who at a very young age, he realized that a lot of people in our country, because of accident or whatever reason, they lose their arm. Now imagine आपके अगर हाथ नहीं है तो this is not a Sholay picture where you can still do things without your hands, right? It's a real life. It's not a movie. So this young guy, Prashant Gade, from Indore, if I remember correctly, he decided that I'm going to make a bionic arm at less than 1/10 the cost that common man can afford. And through his foundation, this young engineer has managed to put smiles on 1,500 faces by giving them bionic arm which they can afford. Now imagine what would have inspired, what is the engineering behind that bionic arm, जो लोग लाखों में बनाते थे, हजारों रुपए में बना के लगा रहा है. And one more name, imagine as a young soldier of Indian Army, you are serving in Northeast, you are in a direct fight with the militants, and you are shot twice. Okay, you get couple of bullets, and doctor says, sorry, I don't think he'll survive. You not only survive, you come back to duty, posted in Kargil, fought the conflict, again got hit by 2 bullets, and this time doctor said, sorry, अब इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता. And this young man, he said, no, I'm not going to give up. He not only survived, he came on crutches. After that, he has to give up his active army life. But what did he do after that? Now, if you want to know more, that's a very, very interesting story. He did not give up. All I can tell you is that right now, he is working for Microsoft at a very senior level in Seattle, US. His name is Deep Singer. So imagine a Fauji. He calls himself a fortunate soldier. So, and many more such stories we're going to share at TEDx Charangi 2020 starting from 5th of September. Registrations are open. You can visit www.tedxcharangi.com or you can visit meraevents.com and do the registration. We are very, very excited as a team, not just the 4 of us here, but also Pradyum Vimani, Naresh, Rachna, Karan, Sagar. We all are very, very excited to host all of you starting from 5th September. 3 weekends, we're going to make it meaningful and make it count for you. 3 weekends that will give you stories, that will give you ideas, innovation, and lots of lessons, lots of engagement. We're going to have discussion rooms where you'll actually get to discuss with fellow attendees and so on and so forth. So we are looking forward to host you starting from 5th of September. Before I say bye to all our attendees, just quickly, Subhash, any message you want to give to those who are still thinking, should I attend or should I not attend?
So thinking makes a decision very weak. So don't think, attend it. You will. You can't afford to miss this event, TEDx Charangi 2020. We guarantee your entertainment. Thank you.
Great. Shabana, what's your message to those who are still thinking, should I or should I not? बहुत सारे webinars हो रहे हैं. अभी मैं क्या करूँ और क्या attend करके करूँगा? What's your message?
It's TEDx, so just go for it, and it will be a greatest investment of your time. I guarantee you that.
Thank you. Yeah. Shashi, what's the message? People are tired of webinars. The other day, somebody sent me a forward where a guy was having some 100 kgs of weight on his back, and what was written on his back was webinars. So what's the message to such people who are saying not one more?
Okay, so friends, don't lose this opportunity to attend TEDx Charangi, as it may be a life-changing moment for you. So, we never know which word or sentence of a speaker may give us that click to pursue and achieve some dream of our life, and may give us that trigger to kickstart. Moreover, being a trainer, a speaker and coach myself, I would invite all my fellow friends in the fraternity to not miss it, as we all aspire to be on that red dot and be a speaker at TEDx. So this will give you the flavor of TEDx, the format, how the speeches are curated, and all that we need to be TEDx speakers in future. So don't think and just register for TEDx Charangi.
Okay, I also want to, I want to assure all of you on behalf of the entire team that after doing registration, if any of you end of the event, which is the 3rd weekend, you come back to us and say, you know what, I could have done without it. We guarantee you that whatever registration fee that you are paying, double of that, we are going to credit to your bank account. That is a promise from all of us at Team TEDx Charangi. If any of you want to join the Team TEDx Charangi and experience what goes in the kitchen, not just the talks, you can visit our website and you can register yourself for that as well. Because we are always looking for people who are ready to serve. You may be an expert in social media, you may be expert in technology, you may be an expert in whatever. We'll be very happy to have you on board and enhance the power and size of TEDx Charangi. So thank you so much. Thank you to all those who took time out to attend. In case any quick last minute question, any of you, please type. We'll wait for about 30 seconds. Otherwise, what we're going to say is, thank you all for watching us, and we as a team, we love doing what we are doing. And just to share with all of you, this is absolutely a not-for-profit initiative. None of us are paid for it, nor we pay to anybody. We always look for like-minded souls who want to make a difference in life of people around us, who like to spread positivity, who like to spread innovation, ideas, and generally a good feel about life. So thank you, Shashi. Thank you, Shabana. Thank you, Subhash. for joining
Thank you.
me on Facebook Live. It's been an amazing experience. As I said, I can go on talking to you guys the whole evening. Probably we'll do that using some other platform, and not here. So thank you all.
Thank you,
Cheers.
Lokesh, for
Thank you.
giving us the opportunity to share
you,
our
Lokesh.
views and thoughts. Thank you so much. Proud to be part of TEDx Chorangi. I am in TEDx
Thank-
Chorangi and TEDx Chorangi is in me.
Thank you, Shashi.
Waiting for everyone to. I'm inviting everyone to find the click. This is the click. Whoever is stuck somewhere, attend TEDx Chorangi. You will find this click. Thank you. Have a nice day. Looking forward on everything.
Bye bye. Stay safe.
Thank
all
you.
of
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Tata.
Stay safe.
Bye.
On 5th of September. Yes.
Yes.
See-
And let's enjoy the redness today.
Yes. Red.
Red is red.
So we also have, Rahul, Mr. Rahul Sengupta, you want to ask anything? Hello to you, Rahul. We are just winding up in case you have any, I think you just joined in or you just typed in. So great to see you all. Cheers.